Hi guys, hope you had a fantastic week. Today I bring to you a popular pork side dish of Bodo tribe from Northeast India called Oma Khaji, which is pork fried with banana stems. The recipe is deliciously flavorful and the banana stems add a beautiful texture to the dish. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Pork, banana stems, onion paste, ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder, slit green chilies, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, clove powder, bay leaf, oil and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now let's start cooking. Take only the innermost core of the banana stems. Chop them into small pieces. Soak it in water for half an hour. Rinse it thoroughly multiple times and squeeze out the water and keep aside. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your bay leaf, onion paste and slit green chilies. Fry it for a minute on a medium flame. Now add your pork, turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, cardamom powder, clove powder and cinnamon powder. Stir it well and open cook it for 5 minutes. Banana stems. Stir it well, cover and cook it on a low flame for 40 to 50 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. The meat looks done. Finally garnish the dish with chopped coriander leaves. Give it a stir and it's ready to be served. Here is the dish. The meat is tender and spicy and the banana stems added a beautiful crunch. It's a totally lip-smacking dish and I'm sure you guys will love it too. But before we wind up, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And now it's time for me to dig in.